Try and get some of the wetter stuff there. This is actually extremely dry. That's a little dangerous because you want it to settle in nice and good. Just keep packing it in there. Be careful, it's going to get stuck to the magnets. Okay, time to start adding the goodies material. Okay, I don't want these BBs to be too close to each other because I want them completely surrounded by cement. And I don't want them too close to the edge because you don't want to be able to have to use the amplification layer to cover over them. You want cement covering over them. So I put in a little bit at a time. Spooned in just a little bit more. Well, nothing's perfect, but it's alright. A little bit of covering of cement now. Just a layer. Be amazed how much 1/3 of the volume actually seems like much more. But they are really taking up only 30% of the volume. Okay, as for how much water I used, usually use the same amount as you have cement. So in this case I used hardly any. So use only a little bit of water at a time, very little. Okay, so I gave it 5 days and a little bit of VR wand. And red light. So you can take it out easily, no problem. But I'm not going to make a triple cone right away. I'm not going to make another triple cone right away. So maybe I'll just keep it in. A little bit broke off there. Now, remember, the cone had a copper wire coming out the top, and it was breaking off around here. So I remolded that. Now I'm just going to be extremely careful not to touch that or touch this wire. You don't want to move that wire one bit. You want to be extremely careful. So I used beeswax to cover up that hole. I used tape too, but anyway, for here, I cleaned that out really good because that's where the resin's going to go in. The compression layer is going to be smudged all around, and I'm going to fill it up a little bit because I'm going to put this cone here inside here, and it's going to fill up. I want to overdo it. I want to go over, make sure I got enough. So to make sure I got enough, I'm going to measure it out, but I'm also going to put tape and raise this up a little bit. Going beyond the dotted line. Remember that dotted line I had?